largely going to echo what the first two candidates said. I'm kind of standing on a proven record of already working across party lines for the benefit of the neighborhood that I live in, the area around the church, working on the different boards and agencies, that when we're talking about local issues and local people, we're talking about building partnerships with one another to address them. The one thing I might add is I've so enjoyed getting to know the current council members and the other candidates, and sent Billie Jean a Facebook post saying how much I appreciate her giving me water at the parade, and that so, I was melting, that it starts out with the way we treat one another, and that when we show one another respect, regardless of the fact that we don't always agree on positions, that gets the ball rolling, and that as we model good respect for one another, we also respect our constituents. Though we are not always on the same political page, we certainly are all part of the same community and benefit from Troy moving forward.